If you want to set up your availability in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create or update your schedule, choose the days and hours you're available, and then apply that availability to your event types so people can only book when you want them to. This is one of the most important settings in Calendly because it helps you control your calendar, avoid double bookings, and make sure your availability matches your real schedule. If this video helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the main menu and click on Availability. This is where Calendly lets you manage when you're open for bookings. If you already have a standard schedule that you want to use, you can open Default Availability. This is the quickest option if you just want to adjust your existing weekly schedule. But if you want to create a separate schedule for a specific purpose, click New Schedule instead. If you're creating a new schedule, Calendly will ask you to enter a schedule name. Give it a name that makes sense for how you'll use it, like morning calls, client meetings, sales consultations, or support hours. A clear name makes it much easier to manage your schedules later, especially if you have different availability for different event types. Next, select the days you want to be available. You'll usually see the days of the week listed out, and from there you can choose the specific days you want Calendly to allow bookings. For example, you might only want meetings on Monday through Thursday, or maybe you want a different setup for each day. This step is important because it gives you full control over which days people can schedule time with you. After selecting the days, set your available hours for each day. Calendly lets you define exactly when you are open, so you can choose start and end times that match your workday. For example, you might set Monday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is really useful if you take a lunch break, work in blocks, or want to leave time open for deep work. If you need more flexibility, you can also add additional time slots. This is great if your schedule changes throughout the day and you want to offer multiple booking windows instead of one continuous block. You can create separate availability ranges so your calendar stays organized and realistic. Take a moment here to make sure the hours you set really reflect when you want people to book meetings. Once everything looks good, click Save. That locks in your schedule changes and stores your availability in Calendly. But we're not done yet, because setting availability alone doesn't automatically apply it to your event pages. Now go to Event Types. This is where you control the individual meeting links that people actually use to book with you. Find the event you want to edit and open it. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, a discovery call, or any other event type you use. Editing the event type is the step that connects your new availability schedule to the booking page. Inside the event settings, look for the availability section. Here, select the schedule you created or updated earlier. If you made a custom schedule, choose that one. If you adjusted your default availability, make sure that event type is using the correct default schedule. This is the key step that tells Calendly when your event is actually bookable. After selecting the schedule, click Save again. That confirms the event type is now tied to the availability you set up. At this point, Calendly will only show time slots that match your schedule, so anyone booking through that event will see the correct open times. And that's it. You've now set up your availability in Calendly and connected it to your event type. This is a simple setup, but it makes a huge difference in how smoothly your scheduling works. It helps you stay organized, saves time, and makes sure clients or teammates can only book when you're actually available. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And if you want, keep watching for more Calendly tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.